Welcome to Tech Sunday Funday, a weekly series that covers the latest tech trends and releases to help you make informed purchases and stay updated. This week we have a great variety of tech releases, everything from the AI-powered Samsung phones to new microphones from DJI that are perfect for content creators, and a pair of desktop speakers from KEF that are finally at a more affordable price point. Anyway, let's kick it off with Samsung's latest phones. Samsung's latest smartphones are a story of refinement and AI transformation. They announced 3 new models, the S24, the S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra. They look very similar to last year's, but they all offer brighter screens, up to a maximum brightness of 2800 nits. The S24 and S24 Plus have more durable aluminium bodies, the same triple camera setup, and the S24 Plus offers a higher resolution screen. The S24 Ultra, Samsung's flagship smartphone, is now made out of titanium and has a completely flat screen made of Gorilla Glass armor for better crack and scratch resistance. For gaming, it has a larger vapor chamber for better cooling. The camera is very similar to last year's model, but instead of a 10x zoom telephoto camera, it's replaced with a 50 megapixel 5x telephoto lens, which is also capable of optical quality 10 times zoom. The AI features in these phones includes live translation for phone calls, auto-transcription of voice recordings, and organizing and tidying of notes. The AI camera features include Magic Eraser and Magic Editor-like features, and adding slow motion to videos. One standout feature is Circle to Search, which allows you to search for items within any app without leaving it. These AI features make the new Galaxy phones very compelling and more comparable to the Pixel phones than ever. My excitement is a 7 out of 10. The smartphones themselves aren't breaking any new ground, but they're a refinement of an already excellent formula. The AI features are actually better than I thought they would be, and now Samsung phones are now a compelling alternative to the Pixel 8 phones. DJI, the drone maker, the action camera maker, and the cinema camera maker, has just announced their latest microphone, the DJI Mic 2. And I think it's the perfect microphone for content creators. It's a wireless portable microphone system that pairs nicely with almost any device. Versatility and ease of use are big selling points here. The microphones can be plugged directly into your smartphone with the included Lightning and USB-C adapters. They can connect directly to your device via Bluetooth. This includes DJI's own Action 4 camera, meaning there is no need to bring a cable or an adapter. There's 32-bit float recording, which allows for greater dynamic range. It allows you to avoid clipping when there's a sudden loud noise. In addition to this, there's AI noise reduction to help reduce environmental noise in louder areas, so the attention remains on your voice. There's also an optional battery case to keep everything charged up. My excitement for this is an 8 out of 10. Recording good audio is hard. You need to worry about environmental voice, the gain settings on your microphone, do you have the right cable for your camera or smartphone? And the DJI Mic 2 just gets rid of all of this challenge. It's a very accessible way of recording good audio and versatile, so it'll work with pretty much any camera out there. KEF is probably my favorite speaker brand, but they're on the expensive side and inaccessible to many. Their wireless desktop speakers, the LSX 2, are fantastic, and they're actually the speakers I use on a daily basis. And now, they're releasing a stripped back version of this called the LSX 2 LT. Not sure what the LT stands for. They look almost identical to their more expensive brother, which is to say, they look pretty good. They should sound identical to the LSX 2, as they pack the same technology on the inside. So what's the difference? For one, they need a cable to connect the 2 speakers, rather than connecting wirelessly. And they're lacking an analog input, which was really useful for connecting a vinyl player. But it does have the same digital connectivity as the originals. The speakers share the same W2 wireless streaming platform as its more expensive brothers, which supports a plethora of streaming options, including AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, Chromecast, Bluetooth, and more. They cost £899 versus the £1,199 of the standard LSX 2s. My excitement for this is a 5 out of 10. One of the key selling points for the LSX2 was versatility. The wireless nature allowed for easy room placement, and the analog input allowed you to plug in a vinyl player easily. Saying that, if you don't care about that and you're just going to use your speakers on your desk, or you don't care about a wire, then I think these speakers are near perfect. Copilot is Microsoft's AI assistant, powered by GPT and DALL-E models. They have just announced Copilot Pro, which is a $20 a month subscription that unlocks AI features for Microsoft's Office suite, so PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. Previously, these features were only available for businesses. With Copilot Pro, users get features like auto-generated PowerPoint decks, text summarization and rephrasing in Word, and data analysis in Excel. It also includes priority access to OpenAI's latest models, and the ability to create your own Copilot GPTs for bespoke use cases. My excitement is a 6 out of 10. It's great to see these power user features become more accessible to a context outside of business users. But at $20 a month, the pricing is a little steep, and only you will know the value you can get out of this. Adobe is introducing new AI features to Premiere Pro to streamline audio editing. Most of the AI releases we see nowadays are primarily chatbot focused, but AI can do so much more. Adobe's latest AI features for Premiere Pro could be a huge time saver for content creators. There's a feature called Enhanced Speech, which can automatically remove unwanted background noise and improve overall clarity. There's also some new beta features that include interactive fade handles that allow editors to drag and create custom audio transitions directly on the timeline. Clips are also getting automatic category tags, such as dialogue, music, or effects. Clicking on these interactive badges will bring up the relevant tools, so you can apply effects faster. My excitement for this is an 8 out of 10. Editing can be a long and tedious process, so any tools that can help you save time and streamline this process is a win in my book. Notion is your one-stop shop productivity app, but there's been one thing that's been lacking: a good calendar. Thankfully, Notion has now launched the suitably named Notion Calendar. It's essentially a rebranded version Cron Calendar, a company they acquired a couple of years ago. You can view multiple calendars in-app, such as work and personal ones, and the app has built-in scheduling tools for arranging meetings. The big new feature is deep Notion integration that lets users link Notion files to calendar events or just create one directly from the calendar app. You can display key dates and milestones from a database directly into your calendar. My excitement for this is a 7 out of 10. I think this is going to be a really powerful tool for small teams and even certain individuals. I think this might be the only app that some teams might need to stay organized. However, Notion already has such a steep learning curve to make the most of it, and the same might be true for this. There's a current trend of open-ear earbuds, basically earbuds that rest in your ear rather than going deep inside of it. And the benefits of this is that it allows you to hear the world around you and not get hit by a car. Now it's Bose's turn to jump on the bandwagon with their Bose Ultra Open Earbuds, which is actually a collaboration with fashion and lifestyle brand KEF. The earbuds clip around your ears instead of a traditional hook design, which means it's suitable for glass wearers. They have a battery life of 7.5 hours and also feature spatial audio. They're available to purchase from January 22nd for $300. My excitement is a 3 out of 10. This is more of a preference thing. I don't like open earbuds, I just don't think they sound very good, and if you live in a noisy city, they just let all of the outside noise in. Plus, $300 costs way too much for this. So that's your tech digest for the week. What technology excited you most? For me, it was a DJI Mic 2, as it makes recording good audio more accessible than ever. And it's a versatile product that pretty much works with anything that can record video. Anyway, that's everything for this week. I hope you have a relaxed and wonderful Sunday, and I'll catch you in the next one.